All right, you know we're all about being prepared over here, right? So part three of cooking out of university. So we got some baked sweet potato. We're gonna have some roasted garlic broccoli tonight, and then we got chili con carne. So I got my beef, my onion, garlic, kidney beans, green pepper, tomato paste, tomato puree, diced tomatoes, my five blend chili spice that I made myself, and then I'll show you what it looks like later. All right, part one, start cooking your ground beef. And chefs, unless you want a really fatty product, strain your fucking beef. Alright, you're gonna add all of your vegetables, you're gonna add your bases, and then you're gonna add your seasonings after you start this up and you saute it for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure your onions get pretty good translucent. Alright, so I've added my wonderful spices. We're gonna start that in, let that cook for a couple minutes. Alright, so after that cooks a little bit, I'm gonna add in my water and my tomato puree. And you're just gonna let that come to a boil. I'm gonna cook that down a little bit. Add in your kidney beans. We're gonna see how it comes out. All right, my finished chili con carne. Looking good. A little bit of heat. Consistency looking right. Hell yeah, that's good.